Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. So, for example, over here on our screen, I have my Authenticator over here for my account. So if I accidentally remove a code just like this one, what you could do is you could click on your profile over here on the top right and click on Manage Your Account. Now over here, click on your security and navigate to our two-step verification over here. After this, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our authentication once again. Click on Turn on Two-Step Verification or add an Authenticator app over here. Set up Authenticator and click on Scan It and just copy-paste our code over here. So copy, exit, and go back. And you're just going to add it the old-fashioned way where you click on Enter a Setup Key. And when you enter your codes again, make sure that you enter your email as your name. And after that, you should be able to restore back your Google Authenticator app connected with your email account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.